Hi guys, just a reminder that I need a picture of your historical figures, page 25, if you haven't gotten that to me. I'm waiting for a couple more of you. And remember, when you post something like this, make sure you're posting it on the due date. Don't just post it on today if you hand it to me today. Okay, so I'm looking for it on the date that it was due. And this was due on Friday, I believe. So Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, but Friday's homework is where it should be posted. All right, let's go over our mountain ranges. So we have right here our front range, right? Remember our front range? And then we have the San Juan Mountains. We have the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, and we have the Sewach Mountains. Do you remember which 14er is the tallest 14er? Mount Elbert. And speaking of which, I've told you that there are how many 14ers in Colorado? 54. Now, I was thinking about that as I was looking over one of my videos, and that's what we as climbers say, that there are 54 14ers. There's actually a few more, but when we climb them as a hobby, and that's kind of what people do, they have rules. So you have to climb a 14er, and when you go to the top, you have to go down enough and go back up the side of the other mountain enough to count it as being another 14er. So I actually have been on maybe one or two extra 14ers that I have never counted for that reason, because I'm doing it as a hobby. And so there's actually Mount Cameron that I've climbed as a 14er. I've been right over the top of it, but I didn't count it because I didn't go low enough. I didn't hike down low enough and hike back up high enough in order to be able to count that as a true hobby. So I just wanted to let you know that, okay? So you're probably gonna hear different numbers for how many 14ers are there, but we're shooting for saying 54 14ers, okay? All right, wanted to clear that up. Let's go over our national parks. Okay, so here we go. We have down here, we have Mesa Verde, Dinosaur National Monument, Great Sand Dunes National Park, Black Canyon of the Gunnison, and Rocky Mountain National Park. Do you have those down? You might see them on a quiz. All right, all I want you to do today is I want you to get your yellow book out, and I want you to read lesson 11. At the very top, it says lesson 11. It's in your yellow book, and it's going to be about pioneer life. So you're going to read lesson 11, pioneer life, for today's lesson. We just reviewed a little bit. Make sure if you haven't handed in page 25 that you have from last Friday, and then you're going to do lesson 11. Have a great Wednesday.